Material design is a comprehensive design system developed by Google, introduced at the 2014 Google I/O conference. It aims to create a tangible design library inspired by paper and ink, but with the flexibility of digital material. This system includes a wide range of UI components, typography, and icons, all designed to help Android designers and developers create consistent and engaging user experiences. The core principles of material design emphasize interaction and physicality. Digital material has edges and surfaces, with seams and shadows providing tactile meaning. This approach ensures that every pixel feels intentional and interactive. As Google puts it, seams and shadows give meaning to what you can feel. This focus on interaction is what sets material design apart, making it a popular choice among designers. Material design offers numerous advantages. Google's UX designers have rigorously tested each element, saving you countless hours of testing and iteration. The familiarity of material design means users can start using your product immediately, reducing cognitive load. Additionally, the speed of design is significantly enhanced, as designers can drag and drop material elements into user interfaces. Being open source, it allows for extensive customization to fit your brand or product needs. Material design is packed with features that cater to a wide range of design needs. It includes a library of components, UI patterns, and other elements spanning 17 categories, such as buttons, navigation bars, and date pickers. Each component is customizable, allowing designers to tailor them to specific requirements. The system also supports both Android and iOS, ensuring a consistent experience across platforms. One of the standout features of material design is its extensive library of components. These include everything from buttons and navigation bars to image lists and date pickers. Google provides detailed guidelines on how to customize each component, covering aspects like usage, anatomy, behavior, and theming options. This level of detail ensures that designers can create highly tailored user interfaces that meet their specific needs. Typography plays a crucial role in material design. The default typefaces are Roboto Sans and Noto Sans, the latter supporting over 800 languages and 150 scripts. This makes it easy to translate your material design products while maintaining aesthetic consistency. Material icons offer over 2,000 icons in 5 different styles, available for download in SVG, PNG, or code snippets for Android, iOS, and Flutter. Motion and interactions are key elements of material design. Motion helps guide users through multiple steps, reducing confusion and enhancing the overall user experience. Material design defines 3 principles of motion: informative, focused, and expressive. Interactions such as gestures and state changes are designed to be intuitive and responsive, providing real-time feedback to user actions. Google is set to announce Material Design 3 in May 2024, first available on Android 12 devices and Google Pixels. This new version introduces features like dynamic color, which allows users to customize their visual experience, and UI considerations for foldable devices. Design tokens will also streamline the process of building, updating, and maintaining design systems, ensuring consistency across platforms and tools.